Hello, Professor. My name is Anvesh Ramil. The submission date is 18th. I have not given or received any unauthorized assistance on this assignment. The function uses three helper functions for the main function, which is compute grade. The helper function checks if there is a name included given in the assignment. If no, the program terminates. The has honor helper function checks if the honor statement was included. If not, the program terminates. We initialize the total score to 0 using the helper functions to check the conditions. Then using the four criteria, we calculate the total score and then send it back to the function call in the main function. We then calculate the total score, and if the assignment was submitted late, we using the helper function will calculate how much score is to be deducted from the total score. I am running the function. Anvesh, the submission date 18, YouTube video link. Yes, yes, 10, 10, 10, 10. Is assignment late? Yes, say by 5 hours. Score is 38. The questions for the assignment are: how does a function stop after early condition fail? The early condition is if the function assignment has a name. We use the helper function, check, get a input from the user if the name was included. If the name was included, we will return 1, and the not of that function here will, if there was no name included, then we will terminate the program and give the score 0 for the main function, which will be the final score. If there was no honor statement, we will return 0, and then the total score will be 0 and the program will terminate. The second question, the input we take from the console will be a string, and we need the total score in integer type, so we use the int typecast here to get the total score in integer, so that we can calculate so that we can calculate the total score after the assignment. The third question is, why do we return the score and not just print it? We return the score, the total computed to calculated score, back to the main function so that we can calculate how much, if the assignment was late, we can calculate how much marks to be is to deduct from the total score. Since we store the first total score in the container score, we can use it later, send it to the helper function isLate, and calculate the marks to be deducted as per the hours the assignment is late. That is it. Thank you so much, Professor.